How to sign up for Pocket option. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to start online trading or just exploring the Pocket option application, here's how you can easily start your journey by creating an account. First of all, download and install the Pocket option application from your Google Play Store or App Store and launch it open. This will be the first interface where you need to go ahead and click registration to start creating a new account. You can also go ahead and start with a free demo account by choosing the free demo at the bottom. Since we are creating an account, let's click on registration. In the registration page, you'll need to enter a valid email address at the very top. Type in the email address you have access to and make sure to type in your own email address. Now go to the next field and write down your password you want to create for the account. Type in a strong password and then, if you've got one, enter your promo code on the next field. And finally, click on this I have read and accepted box over here and tap registration. You can also register with your existing Facebook account or Google account for easy access. Now after filling in the detail, I'm going to tap registration. You might be prompted to allow notification access for the app. Go ahead and do that if you want notification. So after waiting for a couple of seconds, you will be able to complete your sign up. Select your country or your region and the currency and click on confirm. And now start with depositing some funds onto your Pocket option account. So there you have completed your sign up for Pocket option step by step. Now you're ready to explore Pocket option. Take it easy, learn at your own pace, and enjoy the journey responsibly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.